Hi, I'm Dr. Angela Mazza, an integrative endocrinologist and founder of the Metabolic Center for Wellness. I recently published an article in Cureus titled, When Normal Isn't Enough, Rethinking Thyroid Hormone Replacement. I chose Cureus because the process was clear, fast, and generally author-friendly. The submission platform was intuitive, the editorial team was responsive, and the peer review moved at a pace that respected timelines. I also appreciate the open access reach. My work is now accessible to clinicians, trainees, and patients worldwide, which is essential for topics that challenge the status quo in thyroid care. What stood out to me was how collaborative the experience felt, from formatting support to final publication. I always knew what came next. That transparency made the journey smooth and let me focus on the science. So, to my colleagues considering where to submit, if you value efficiency, visibility, and supportive editorial team, I do recommend Cureus. It's a great platform to share meaningful clinical insights and spark dialogue across global medical community. Thank you to the Cureus team for the opportunity, and I look forward to contributing again.